Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And as you can see, the Seiko box. This is a watch lent to me by my friend and friend of the channel Haroon from at Watchmade. So I'll leave a link to his Instagram, so follow his Instagram. He lent me several watches. The Boulevard, I think, was one of the last ones. Before that was the Kamasu, couple of Orients, and he has a really nice collection and a very good taste. And yeah, he wrote me. He's like, this watch is definitely worth reviewing. It's one of these really cool, nifty small watches that Seiko used to be making, and I think this is one of the best starter watches, to be honest. So you get a nice box, and I think this is very important as well for your first watch. Like for me now, I don't care about the box at all. Um, but I think if this was my first watch and I was buying a Seiko, I would expect to have a nice box like this one, so can I enjoy the watch much more even. And we have here all the, so as you can see, we have this pin and collar, no, not even pin and collar, it's like a some form of pin. Yeah, it's a pin and collar system. The worst system for bracelets. So Seiko is known for making, in my opinion, one of the worst bracelets, but one of the best bracelets as well. But wow, that's nice. So we have here the SNKK87K1. So this is a Seiko 5 automatic with the 7S26 caliber, so the non-hacking, non-hand winding, and you get a see-through case back to the movement. Clean it a bit. The bracelet actually doesn't look so bad, to be honest. I know Haroon has a very similar wrist to me, so exactly the same wrist. So on the bracelet, it's actually, I have to say, it doesn't look bad on the bracelet at all. That's definitely not a bad bracelet, I have to say. It's rattly. Quality might not be the best, but for looks, that's a 10 out of 10 for looks for me. But looks are, let's say, not subjective, they're objective, because each of us have different tastes. So let's get down to business. Dial diameter is 38.5, lug to lug is 42, thickness is 11, which is quite good, and lug width of 20, yeah, it's like 21 millimeters. I'll put it on straps now to try it out. So basically, to start the watch, you have to shake it, and then you get the seconds running. Other than that, there's no hand winding. You have hard legs crystal, and front and back. Like I said, the 7S 26 caliber with 26 joules, 21 joules, 21,600 vibrations per hour. Great movement, workhorse movement that will work for 20 years without stopping. Stainless steel case, bracelet, I'm not sure. I'm just so surprised about the bracelet, I have to say, that it matches so well the watch. Definitely I understand now Haroon more when he was saying this is one of the his recommendation as a starter watch, because as a starter watch, you don't want to change any kind of straps or bracelet. You just want to wear it as is. You're still not, let's say, in the hobby enough to know that straps and bracelets make the watch look so much different. So definitely a great starter watch. I think it's in around 150 euros range, which I think is very reasonable. I'll wear it now for a couple of weeks, make a review video, and maybe I'll order a couple of other Seiko 5s or other brands around the same area for the starter watch to compare it with this one, because I think this one, from looks on the bracelet, it looks really good, I have to say. Anyways, if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. And of course, thanks Harun for sending me this watch and the other watches before. Really appreciate it. Thanks again. Bye bye.